Hey everyone, this is Roma Online Band. Welcome. This is going to be the 7th, 8th grade portion for warm-ups. What we're going to cover in this online lesson is going to be low studies, middle studies, half full exercises, and octave slurs. I know this is stuff that's usually memorized, so I'll also have music on the screen to help you out. If at any time you need to, you can pause the video to refresh yourself or see what we're doing with slurs or just to check out the notes that we're using. All right, let's go ahead and start. Let me start with some low studies. If you need to go ahead and get your read, pause the video, and let's get started. Let's hold our B flat for 8 counts. And tap your toe, 1 and 2. 1, 2, stay open. Fast air and corners together. 1, 2, set, and alright, let's continue. Bassoon low studies. 1, take 2, set, and alright, let's go ahead and try it again. Be sure that you're staying open with your jaw. The way we do that is we say corners together. And what that does automatically is drop the jaw lower. We need that for the low notes. Let's try it. Low studies one more time. 2, set, and let's go ahead and go on. We're going to go to middle studies. Let's hold our first note, our F, for 8 counts together. Same idea, fast air, corners together. 1, 2, set, and one more time. 2, set, and bassoon middle studies. 1, 2, set, and okay, let's do middle studies one more time. The goal is going to be to taper your half notes into the rests. Not clipped, tapered. 1 and 2, tap your toe, middle studies. on to our half pole exercises. Here we go. So we're going to do one line at a time, and we're going to slur each time. We'll try and do a slur all the way through the line rather than at each measure. Okay, let's do our first line. We use F and G. Be sure that half pole moves quickly. That left index finger moves quickly and as little space as possible. And 1, and 2. Tap your toe, line 1, set, and alright, one more time. 1, 2, line 1, and okay, let's go on to line 2 now. We're going F to G flat, or F sharp. It's another name for it. You be sure that you use fast air in between the notes, meaning when you're about to change, that's when you want to use fast air. If you shy away, then it's going to sound really rough, and then we want it to sound smooth. 1, 2, line 2, set, and one more time, and 1, 2, set, and alright, let's go ahead and continue to the other half of half full exercises. Let's do line 1 again. This is E to F sharp. Still slurring. 1, 2, tap your toe, 2, line 1, and one more time, and 2, fast air, and let's go to our next line. We have E to G. 1 and 2, tap your toe, fast air, ready, and one more time. Stay open, set, and alright, that's half full exercises. Let's go ahead and go on. We're going to octave slurs now. We're going to use F as our starting note. We're going to use part of our scale. We're going up chromatically. Each octave is going to be slurred, and we tongue on each new note. So if you need to pause the video just to see how this exercise is structured, usually we do more with more scales, but this is how we're doing it for this video in this case. All right, let's go and get started. We're going to do one line at a time again. Let's start with line 1. And tap your toe. Keep your mouth tall. 1, 2, set, and B natural, and C. Be sure that you flick the key. That means you press it and take it off. So as if I'm right here, I press it, and then take it off, rather than keeping it on the key. Let's go ahead and try it again. Line 1. 1, 2, set, and... Alright, let's go to line 2 now. It's the same notes, just backwards and downwards. Alright, 1 and 2, keep your mouth tall, 2, line 2, and... You'll notice that this line is much harder than the first line. Reason is you have to keep your mouth tall and make a quick adjustment for what the low note needs. It's going to take time, practice, and patience to really get it right. Let's try it one more time. Line 2, and 1, 2, now keep your mouth tall, set. You heard it on my last 2 measures. It's pretty tough. All right. This concludes the warm-up for 7th and 8th grade for Roma middle schools in Ramiro Pereira. Hope you guys are safe. Wish I could see you guys, and hope you guys are staying indoors, keeping your social distancing, keeping in touch with your friends, maybe even sending a meme. Yeah. I'll see you guys around, and hope you stay safe. Bye-bye.